got golden shores. He'll meet you on that golden shore. All right, yeah, I know. If we start from the beginning, I can get the whole thing. I was gonna give it like a four chord intro to get me into it.
Okay.
A four, whatever, 4 measure. You guys got it. I got it. We got it. I am a man of constant sorrow. Yes, I've seen trouble on my head. I bid farewell to old Kentucky, the place where I was born and raised. A place where he was born and raised. And I am just a man in Denton, Texas, but I am from New York City. Don't you sit and judge me because I'm a country boy in the city, and you know that I ain't gonna take anything from no more. He gonna take no more. But there is one promise that is given. I'll meet you on your golden shore. He'll meet you on that golden shore.
Shore is the last words in
anything with C and G, I'll jump in, but you guys do your thing. That's great. Hey, we got it recorded in 3D.